Hi guys, welcome back to Mia's Corner. Join me today for some Happy Mail swap. And this is from Emmy from Entropy Crafts here on YouTube. This is for our gingerbread swap, a recipe challenge that was a collaboration that was hosted by Kelly Santi Designs and Wanda from A Day in My World. So let's have a look and see what she sent me. If you've missed any of the project shares that the wonderful collaborators had shared, make sure to check it out. I'll put the link at the end and you can have a look and see what they made. So here is what Emmy sent me. Hold on one sec. So we have our card here. Oh, how cute! It's so wonderful to see this in person. I saw her make this. It's an ATC coin and she put it on top of a card. So let me just read the card real quick. Oh, I love it, Emmy. This is a beautiful card. I'm super excited. So happy to make a new crafty friend as well with you. Now let's look and see what she has made. So I'm new to Emmy's channel and I want to thank Kelly for matching me up for her. It's so nice to discover new crafters, super talented. She recently made a gingerbread village. Oh my goodness, you have to see. Oh my goodness, Emmy, I can't believe. Look what she made me here. This is going up on our tree. What a gorgeous Christmas gnome. This is so beautiful. I love it. Super cute. Look at her hat and her bow. And I love this yarn that she used. And she has her cute braids with adorable, super adorable. This is what the back looks like. And I heard a jingle. There's a little bell. Wow, isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. So cute. My daughter, whose name is Emma, and I also fondly call Emmy, will love this one. It's so funny because Emmy from Entropy Crafts' sister's name is Clarissa, and my name's Clarissa too. So, without further ado, here is the gingerbread recipe that she made me. Let me just put that here so you can see it. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. I love her apron. Look at that lace. Look at those rosy cheeks, and I love her face and that bow. And the tulle, really pretty. I love it so much. And on the back, so when she did a project share, she had said that she put the recipe inside. How clever is that? And look at these miniature candy cane and gingerbread. And she shared a wonderful recipe of kale and sausage, and I love it. I am definitely gonna cook this week. I am so excited. This is super cool. I'm reading the ingredients and the steps. But how cool is that? So she put these small little Velcros, and I am going to put her on display. I'll have to do maybe a Tea Tuesday where I make this kale soup because this is too fun. And look at this adorable gnome. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I'm definitely getting into the spirit of Christmas now. I mean, I'm so excited. So I hope, Emmy, that you like what I sent you as well. This was such a fun collaboration. Wanda and Kelly, thank you so much for letting me join. And if you want to check out these wonderful ladies' project shares, I'll also put Emmy's YouTube channel down below. You have to check it out. She has some wonderful ideas and hauls as well. Thanks again for watching Mia's Corner. See you next time.